What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Today we have a lot of things to talk about. As you can see right now, we are apparently breaking the pattern to the downside. We are breaking the falling wedge to the downside. And we also had the new interest rate release today. And we also are going to talk about Ethereum because we are midway to the target that we had from this symmetrical triangle. So if that sounds interesting, stick with me until the end of this video. But of course, before that, guys, don't forget to sign up for Bybit. Stop losing time, stop losing money, and go sign up and claim your bonus. Using this link right here on the description, you can claim up to $30,000 bonuses. And if you're searching for a platform that doesn't require KYC, you can click the second link and sign up to Bitflex. So guys, without further ado, let's go to the charts right here. Let's start talking about the weekly chart. And as you can see, guys, we do not have good news right here. Let me zoom in a little bit, and as you can see, we opened the candle right here and we went all the way up to the level of the 200 moving average to retest it, and we did retest it so far as a resistance, and we were rejected. After being rejected by this level, we fell 6% already. If we want to see Bitcoin going higher here in this new bull run that everybody is expecting, we have to make sure to start trading above the level of the 200 EMA. Because if we keep trading below the level of the 200 EMA, guys, the prognosis is not good. Let me give you an example. This time right here, we broke below the level of the 200 moving average. We retested it as a support, as a resistance, sorry, sometimes here. Even broke above for one candle right here, as you can see, and went down below again. So from the moment of the breakout here, we went down until the bottom 30%. That's what I'm talking about. So it's pretty bad for us. We have to see the bulls stepping in here and bringing the prices back above the 200 EMA if we want to see a bullish scenario. So far, it is not happening. On the last video, I was talking about the ribbons as well. So let me show you again. The last time we broke the ribbons on the weekly time frame to the downside, it was right there. We had some side actions here, we have some retest, we had some failed breakout, but the same thing, if we take it from the moment of the breakout of the weekly ribbon here, we went down 64%. And what we are watching right now is the fight between these two giants, the 200 moving average acting as a resistance and the ribbons acting as a support. That's what we are having right now. And also all the 3 or 4 different charts, bullish charts that I showed you on the last videos, they were not invalidated yet. So we still have the chance of breaking this to the upside again. The release that we were waiting for, and by saying that I mean the interest rates. And yes guys, we got the news that we were expecting, and there's not going to be any increase in the interest rates. Unfortunately, the markets didn't react as we were expecting, and we saw these movements to the downside right here, as you can see. This is only for the crypto market. On the S&P 500 here, we also had a dump. We had a movement to the downside, but we recovered everything, almost everything already, as you can see right here on this candle. We went all the way down to these levels and came back already almost to the place that we were. But for some reason, the crypto market and Bitcoin is now detached from the S&P 500 and it's weaker. So we went down as well, but we didn't manage to get up again as the S&P just did. Let me bring now the falling wedge here. There it is. And yes, it does look like we are breaking this time to the downside actually. But I want to show you something. And if we close above this level, I would not consider it broken yet. So let me show you. This might be a little confusing, so let me delete this one and readjust it. We are going to put now this level of resistance not on the body of the candles, but on the bottom of the wicks. on this manner. So this line that we just put right here is still the level of support of the falling wedge. We have 2 hours 20 minutes until the closure of this candle. Oops, I'm not sure you guys are seeing. I think you can see better now, right? Yes. Okay, so if we close the body of this candle inside our pattern, our fallen wedge, I will tell you guys, this was a fake out. We just had a fake out to the downside. This pattern is still in play. And you know that this is a bullish pattern, so the most probable scenario from them would be to come back to the level of the resistance of the falling wedge before eventually breaking it to the upside. Also, one very interesting thing that I want to show you here on the 12 hourly candle. Let me bring the RSI. What you can see here, guys, you can see a low, a higher low, and a higher low. While in the price section, you can see the same low here. Low, lower low, lower low. And you know already, this is the bullish pattern called bullish divergency. And the good thing here is that we are having bullish divergency in a very big time frame. So this just corroborates with the scenario of getting into the pattern once more. And if we do manage to get into this pattern once more, it is going to be very, very important for us. In order to hit the resistance, we would have to break the level of this resistance right here. This one. Breaking this resistance here, we would have a clean pathway to the top of the pattern. These are the next important things and levels for the Bitcoin price. If you saw the last video that I was talking about Ethereum, guys, there it is. We are coming exactly to the point that I told you that we would come. And this is a very important point of support. We just touched it right now and we are seeing some reaction already, 1% to the upside. So exactly as I said, this level here of 1,630, that's the price that I said, it is indeed a very important level of support for the Ethereum. So we just saw this massive leg to the downside here. It is unlikely, on my point of view, that we are going to break this and go straight down like this. We are most probably going to see some kind of consolidation exactly as we had right here before we break this level and go to finally hit our target. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this content, smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.